Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using Mobiflux Content Locker to grow your list. Let's get started. Most people who are living at a fast-paced lifestyle are using their mobile devices to access the internet, check their emails, check their social media accounts, and they are glued to their mobile phones every time of the day. Time won't pass where they won't check their mobile phones. As marketers, you must take advantage of promotions that are optimized on mobile devices. If you have a website, then you probably have opt-in forms that pop up on your website asking your website visitors their name and email address. You might also have ads on your website to direct people to your products. These are usually designed to work and be visible when you access these websites using your computer. If you try to access it on your mobile device, you won't be able to see it. So that's the downside for marketers who won't be able to optimize their opt-in forms or ads on mobile devices. They will lose potential leads. Marketers have to make their websites mobile-friendly and mobile-compatible. That way, potential subscribers who liked your content and are using their mobile phones can see your ads and click the call to action button. If you're not aware yet, most of the classic website setup for blogs, e-commerce, lead generation pop-ups are designed to be viewed and available on desktop computers. They are not yet optimized for mobile devices, so we must adapt to the trend since most of our potential leads and customers are using their mobile phones to check out websites. If they won't see your call to action button on your pop-ups, you will waste most of your potential leads who are using their mobile devices. Ideally, you want your visitors to view your website the same way they can view it using their desktop computers. Mobiflux is the app that you will need to optimize your website for mobile devices. You can easily install it in your WordPress site and set it up for your website to work on mobile devices. You can control where you can place the ads on your website. With Mobiflux, you will force your website visitors to drive more traffic to your website. Just install the Mobiflux plugin in your WordPress site. Click Plugins, then Add New. Now upload the plugin. Locate the Mobiflux plugin from your drive. Then click Install Now. Once it's installed, you need to activate the plugin. Now the plugin is activated. If it's your first time, you need to input your email and your order code here. Now click Submit. First, let's take a look at mobile banner ads. Let's create a new banner ad. Input the details here. Upload an image, and you can show this banner ad on all visits. You also have the option to let the banner ad be viewed by people who already have visited your website or not. You can also select which posts and pages that your banner ad will be shown. You can select if you want to position your ad on the header or the footer. Now here's our created banner ad. Now let's take a look at how it looks on our mobile device. Here's what people will see when they visit your website using their mobile device. When we check our dashboard, you will see that the number of ad views is reflected here. When we click on the banner ad, we're going to be redirected to the URL link you have indicated in the banner ad settings. Since we have clicked on the banner, the ad clicks were updated as viewed by one person. Now let's go to interstitial ads. Interstitial ads will appear before your web page loads up. It will cover the entire screen. Now let's click the Create New button. Input an ad title, add a redirection URL here, upload an image, select the posts and the page to display the ad. Let's change this to use global ad. When we click on our dashboard, we can now see our created interstitial ad here. Let's check it out on a mobile device. As people go to our website, they will first see this interstitial ad that we have created. When they click on this ad, they will be redirected to the URL we have set. You can see in the dashboard, the ad clicks and views reflected our action. Now let's go to the traffic multipliers. This is the secret weapon of Mobiflux. This will make your content go viral. It will lock your content until a certain number of visitors start going to your link. You need to share this link with other people, and they too will share it with other people so that they can unlock and view the content. Let's click the Create button. Type in the locker title, then the header text. Choose a header image. If you have a header video, you can upload it here. Then edit the body where the text will be displayed under the image. The buttons that will be displayed are seen in this section. The first one is Copy to Clipboard, then the Email Submission button. You will need to type in your email ID here so you will get a notification when the content is unlocked. Under the Content Unlock Confirmation email, this is the message that people will receive as their notification. Under the General Settings, you will need to input the required number of visitors to unlock your content, then the default text will be shown in this field. Even add custom CSS here, but for now, let's save this setting. You can even see a preview when you click this button. Go back to your dashboard. To use this code, click this code to copy it. Then go to Pages, then paste it in this section. When people go to your page, this is what they will see. As you can see, the content is still locked. They will need to click on the Copy to Clipboard to go to the link. Then input the email ID to where the notification will be sent. In this section, it is indicated here that they need to have 2 visitors to unlock and view this content. Mobiflux is essential for marketers to attract the right traffic, increase your sales, and expand your business. Now that you know about using Mobiflux Content Locker to grow your list, we can now proceed to the next chapter, how to get traffic to grow your list. I'll see you there.